Hi guys, Fred Zinn here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a Forest River Heritage Glen 356 QB. This is a nice, huge fifth wheel for the whole family. When you come in here, you got your solid step entryway. It's nice and stable. We're going to start in the very back. This has got its own private bunk room for the kids. A whole separate bathroom. Come on all the way in the back here. You got your toilet, a rear exit, and you also have a shower. This has your overhead bunk here. And then you got storage, a place to mount a TV, place for clothes. And then on the other side, you have another overhead bunk. You got a sofa that will fold down to a bed, or you can just put this up in a stationary just so the kids have their own private time. When you come into the living area, you got a U-shaped dinette that also folds down to a bed. And then you got a little sofa hide-a-bed right here. In the galley, got a big stainless steel sink, and then plenty of storage for plates, silverware, more storage. And then you got 3 full extending drawers, and then a place for a wastebasket. Your Furrion microwave hood combo, 3-burner cooktop, and then your oven, and a nice large drawer for pots, pans, etc. Then you got a 2-door Dometic fridge freezer combo. And then of course you got your nice LCD big screen, your electric fireplace, storage on both sides and above. Come on up into the bedroom. Got a nice large closet. You got your washer and dryer hookups. And then your walk around queen size bed. And then you got a 3-door dresser with a place to mount a TV as well. And then in the bathroom, got a nice shower, glass shower enclosure, and then your medicine cabinet, your sink, and your toilet. Here's your pass-through right here. Plenty of storage there. Your battery disconnect located right there. And then above here you got about an 18-foot power awning. Then you got your outside speakers. If you want to mount a TV out here, there's a bracket right here. Got a cable, coax, plug, and then power, of course. Then you got your outside entertaining so you can cook. Got a little fridge, little sink, and then you got a little grill so you can cook outside, and then some storage above, and then you got a little working station. Then you got your ladder to the roof, full walk-on roof. And again, as I pointed out earlier, you got a rear access. And then here, this is the other side to the pass-through I showed you earlier. And then you got your fresh water connection, your city water connection, your outside shower. And then you got 2 propane tanks. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2020 Heritage 356 QB, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.